The world is getting busier day by day. As moms, we always try to give our family a nourishing meal. So I thought of doing freezable recipes for you all from today. And this is the first one. How to do coconut chicken curry rice. This is a one-pot meal. For this recipe, I am using 2 cups rice cooker cups rice and 200 grams green peas, 1 onion, 2 teaspoons curry powder with half a teaspoon of paprika, quarter a teaspoon of pepper and a pinch of turmeric powder or turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of garlic powder, enough salt to your taste, 500 grams chicken thigh fillets. Going to use the same cup measurement for coconut milk and 1.5 teaspoons stock powder or the same measurement from the rice cooker cup. I'm going to use 2 cups water and half of a large capsicum. So let's start doing this simple, easy one-pot meal, and this is freezable up to 3 months. Cut the chicken into small cubes. And let's cut the onion. I'm going to keep half of the onion separate. Now going to add the chicken into the same box with the onion. Now cut the other half of the onion. And half of the capsicum. And put that into a separate bowl. Now the next step, wash the rice thoroughly. Into a pan, add some oil or butter. I'm using coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onion, capsicum and the green peas. Stir fry about 1 minute. Once it is halfway cooked, transfer that onto a plate and leave aside. After, into the same pan, if you like, you can add more oil. I am not going to add any oil into this because the chicken has a little bit of oil in it too and the extra liquid. I'm going to add the onion and the chicken into the pan. Stir and add the salt and the garlic powder. Mix. After, add the spices and mix. Reduce the heat and cover. Make sure to stir it occasionally. Don't let the spices stick onto the pan. You don't need to cook the chicken until well done. Now you can add the rice into it. After mix and add the stock powder or the stock water directly. So I'm going to add the stock powder and the 2 cups of water and mix and simmer until well cooked. Once the rice is 3/4 cooked, add the coconut milk and mix. And make sure to cook it on a low heat until it cooks properly. If you are using the rice cooker for this, it will cook correctly. Once the rice is well cooked, add the vegetables, mix and cook further 1 minute and finish it off. If you like, you can add the vegetables into the rice to cook with it, but the colors will fade. That's why I added them last. So it is ready. Plate them directly into the boxes that you are going to store. So you can take them like that to work and microwave at lunchtime. This is the first meal that we are doing for the freezable recipes, and there will be more in future. See you next time.